Education is not about academics only, it's about personal growth, grooming and the development of the students.
I want to become a cardiologist and I've got inspiration from Dr. Naresh Trehan.
The zeal to go, the zeal to excel is something that makes us unique.
कमला नेहरू मेमोरियल ट्रस्ट की स्थापना की स्वर्गीय श्री केन सिंह साहब, जो भारत सरकार में मंत्री भी थे, 1972 में। नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में, दैट इंक्लूड्स इवन दिल्ली, ये पहला संस्थान था जहां बाबू केन सिंह के अथक प्रयासों से टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट प्राइवेट सेक्टर में 1976 में आरंभ किया।
This institute was later endorsed by the government and so, driven by the scarcity scenario of the state and to impart quality technical education, new campus for professional courses were set up. Starting with Faculty of Management in 2001, followed by Faculty of Pharmacy and Faculty of Engineering.
The main aim of engineering is to give a focus to the practical knowledge of engineering.
KNI PSS Management Institute have various workshops for students' development, international guest lectures as well, National Employability Summit, Alumni Association as well. We feel proud of that they have changed, they have grown a lot.
What's pharmacy? It's a branch of medical science that deals with dispensing of medicines and their preparations. We also deal with the cosmetics and daily use products. If we talk about the equipments, triple roller and single rotary machine, tablet punching machine, coating machine, capsule making machines are also available.
The professional courses offered at Kamala Nehru Institute are B.Tech in Electrical, CS, IT, Electronics and Civil Engineering, B Pharma, M Pharma, BBA, MBA, PCA and MCA. The campus is spread over an area of 75 acres at Faridipur, located 8 kilometers from Sultanpur on Highway 96, surrounded by manicured gardens and lavish landscapes. To maintain total education excellence, the institute provides an array of facilities: sophisticated labs, extensive library, computer lab, transport facility, medical center, separate hostels for boys and girls, canteen, and 24/7 Wi-Fi connectivity and security.
Since students need a quiet environment and there is a very quiet environment around all us, greenery यहाँ बहुत अच्छी है, facilities यहाँ बहुत अच्छी available है और sports और extra curriculum activities भी यहाँ बहुत अच्छी हैं.
In 10 years, you can see the infrastructure which has been spread in this campus, and you can see that state of art is fabulous. Laboratories are up to the mark. Any infrastructure you have to think about, it is in here.
We have both the blend of practical training, which includes live projects, seminars, workshop, technical sessions, symposium. Also, we have sessions wherein we groom the students to get and acquaint themselves with the entrepreneurial skills, which is very much required in the market.
If a student who is getting passed from an institution is not contributing towards the growth of their nation, it is highly of any use. So we work on their professionalism as well as on their moral values also.
The environment is so free, the faculty members are so supporting. I was mesmerized to see that I have my kind of guys and girls here. I made many friends here. They are too good.
For their work, for their vacation, for their jobs, they have to go in metro cities. There's hardly any difference between their performance and the other students who have come from big cities.
शिक्षा के साथ साथ कोशिश किया जा रहा है कि शोध कार्य यानी रिसर्च वर्क भी हम लें और इसमें हमको कामयाबी मिली।
यहाँ पर लगभग 300-400 लड़के रहते हैं और कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि वो किस ब्रांच के हैं, किस तरह के हैं, लाइक फार्मेसी, बीटेक, एमबीए, इट इज नॉट मैटर, वी आर फ्रेंड।
आज के टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस में फिज़िकल हेल्थ और हमारा जो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है ये प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ के लिए उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना एकेडमिक्स। मॉर्निंग में हम फोकस करते हैं नॉर्मली एरोबिक्स और योग पे। इवनिंग के टाइम्स में हम बॉडी बिल्डिंग है या जो हम बॉडी का पोस्चर है उसका अलाइनमेंट है उसको बेटर करने के लिए हमने शेड्यूल्स बना रखे हैं।
To nurture innovative and creative abilities of students, KNGI promotes sports and extracurricular activities. Seasonal celebrations, management festivals, national seminars, language development, industrial visits, inter-college meet are regular events in the campus. Kamla Nehru Group of Institutions is committed to excellence in imparting education and training to the new breed of professionals for carving and breaking new frontiers for the country. The institution stamped with quality and excellence in education.